What causes gurgling sound in sink?
Hello everyone. Today, we're here to demystify a common household phenomenon you've probably encountered, that strange gurgling sound coming from your sink. What is it? Where does it come from? And should you be worried about it? Let's dive in and find out.
What is the gurgling sound?
First things first, the gurgling sound in your sink is typically a sign that air is getting trapped somewhere in your plumbing system. When water flows down the drain, it pushes the air in the pipe ahead of it, creating that distinct gurgling sound. Normally, this air escapes through the vent stack on the roof, but if something is preventing that, the air will bubble up through the water in the drain trap, causing the sound you hear.
What causes the gurgling?
Now, what could be causing this trap in the system? There are a few common culprits. The most typical one is a clog or blockage in your drain or plumbing vent. If the pipes or vents are partially blocked, the air can't escape as easily and you may hear that gurgling sound. Another possibility is that the plumbing vent, which is designed to allow air into the plumbing system to equalize pressure, is blocked or improperly installed. If the vent is blocked, the air cannot escape when the water is flowing. If it's not properly installed, it may not be allowing enough air in to equalize the pressure in the first place.
Should I be worried about the gurgling?
The gurgling sound itself is more annoying than harmful, but it's important to remember that it's usually a symptom of a bigger issue, namely, a blockage. If left unchecked, this blockage could lead to slower drains, backups, or even damage to your plumbing system. So, while the noise might be a minor inconvenience, the underlying problem could be serious and costly if not addressed.
How can I fix it?
The best way to stop the gurgling is to address the root cause. If it's a blockage in your drain or vent, removing the clog should resolve the issue. This can often be done with a plunger or a plumber's snake. If the problem persists, however, it might be best to call in a professional. If the issue is with the vent, a plumber will be able to diagnose and fix the problem. So there you have it, folks. The mystery of the gurgling sink revealed. Remember, it's always better to tackle these issues early before they cause bigger headaches down the line. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of household plumbing.